Hey guys, this is Sassy Shif says welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be a little different than what you usually see. It's going to be more personal and more of me sharing my tried and tested products that I swear by when it comes to my current skincare routine. It also happens to be one of my most requested video. Deepika, if you are seeing this video, this one's for you because you are one of my most ardent readers and you've been requesting it for the longest time along with so many other girls. So here it goes. If you want to know what's my current skincare routine, then keep on watching. So before we dive into the review, let me just put out there what might work for me might necessarily not work for you and vice versa. If you have sensitive, combination, dry, patchy, oily skin like me, then these are the products that I swear by, and chances are that these might work for you as well. But I recommend always do a patch test. Always use a product in a smaller quantity and see if it works for you on one particular area of your skin before jumping in and buying a bigger product. I always do that personally for myself, and I highly recommend that you guys do the same. So without any further ado, let's jump into our skincare routine. The first step in any of your nighttime skincare routine should be to take off any excess makeup or any dirt that you have in your face, clean it out properly, leave your skin squeaky clean before you start with any other product. So let's start with the first product that I swear by, Nykaa's cold pressed jojoba oil. So what I usually do is use few drops of the jojoba oil, apply it all over on my face and neck and gently massage it in circular motions. Once that's done, I like to use my most trusted Boots skincare facial wipes that come with avocado oil and are extremely nourishing and moisturizing, and I like to clean my face with these wipes. What I also like about these wipes is that makeup comes off so easily and it doesn't leave any trace behind, so washing your face becomes really easy. So as you guys can see, almost all of my makeup is come off in just step 2 of my nighttime skincare routine. And the reason I like to use a oil-based formula for taking off my makeup is because no matter what scrub or face wash I use, it doesn't over dry my skin and it also nourishes my skin. Like right now, even after using a wipe, my skin really feels soft. Next up, I'm going to use L'Oreal's Sea Salt with Foam Cleanser, which is really good and an amazing product for combination skin. I'm going to be linking below all the products from where you can buy so that it's easy for you. But I got this from my last trip to Taiwan, where I got it on an offer of buy one get one free. This also has a very creamy consistency and your skin won't feel over dried. It'll absolutely be nourished and moisturized, and you just need like a teeny weeny this much amount. That's it for your whole face and neck. Now I'll be back after washing my face. So there I am, my skin is all clean, squeaky clean, and I am ready to jump into the next step now. Always remember to use a good toner that suits your skin type, as before using any moisturizer or serum, this should be like your first holy grail step, as this will ensure you get maximum benefit out of any serum or moisturizer. The one toner that I've been using on a regular basis and swearing by is by Kaya Skin Clinic, the Daily Pore Minimizing Toner, and this is really lightweight, ideal I would say for all skin types. I find this one to be really cooling. It is very affordable as well, and this is something that I keep going back to. I have other toners as well, but especially for my nighttime routine, I like this as I find my products really work when I use this. Just before I jump into my serum moisturizing routine, I like to spritz my face by Avene's Thermal Water. I find it is so soothing and it also is anti-irritating. So just shake it like this and I usually let it air dry before we moisturize. Next step would be to use your under eye cream, any favorite under eye cream. I have many favorites, but I keep reaching back to L'Oreal's Revitalift. This is again a great product if you want to start early and if you're not sure, or if you're not wanting to invest in a really expensive under eye cream, then this is going to be your affordable option, and this has really worked wonders for me. I like to use it at least twice or thrice in a week currently before I hit the bed, and make sure to pat the product inside and then gently in circular motions take the product on your upper lid as well. Always remember, do not tug your skin down during your skincare, whether it's an eye product or a face cream. Always your movements should be in an upward motion. I'm then going to reach out to my favorite serum as of now. I started using this since last month. It's called Yavadam's Revitalizing Serum. This is how the product looks. So Yavadam's Revitalizing Serum has got a really creamy texture and it's absolutely lightweight to use on your face. Once I use my serum, I always follow it up with a moisturizer because I'm all about that double lock-in of hydration and moisturizer. So the next cream that I use, it's actually a medicated one and it was prescribed to me by not one but two dermats, and this is called Emoline. It is a medicated cream and this is ideal for dry skin, and it can be followed up by any serum, or it can also be used with your current skincare moisturizer if you're using any. This is the texture. And this cream is also known to restore the natural moisture of your skin. So it's really helpful and two-in-one. The second last step is to use my Bird Peas lip scrub. I always do that every single time. And I just wipe it off with a tissue. I don't go and wash it off so that the oils remain on your lips still. I've shown this product to you in my favorite lip care video. And this is how the product looks. It's a really deep, nourishing and hydrating lip scrub. After I've scrubbed it off, I take clean tissue and just wipe it off. And then the last step, ladies and gents, use any good lip balm that you have and top it up. So I've used Bath & Body Born Lippy Strawberry Lip Balm. Make sure not to skip this step, as we always tend to forget smaller things and not pay attention, and our lips bear the brunt. So ladies and gents, this was my favorite and most current nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and come back to my channel for more, as I have some really amazing content planned for you guys. I'm shooting almost on a daily basis, trying to be active on YouTube. I've decided to put out 3 videos weekly starting from Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So every 3 days in a week you'll see a new YouTube video dropping on my channel, mostly around 6 to 7 p.m. I'll try to keep that constant. But here's me signing off, and make sure to come back for some more of these videos and spread the love, guys!